Alright guys, this is another scholarship opportunity by the Agency for Science, Technology and Research of Singapore in partnership with the University of Warwick in England for a Doctor of Engineering scholarship. It's a PhD scholarship opportunity. The scholarship is for a duration of 4 years. That's 2 years at the University of Warwick in the United Kingdom and 2 years research based at the ASTAR Research Institute in Singapore. The program will help candidates develop vital set skills involving rigorous analysis and good management practices to be a step ahead of the competition. Program themes include aspects of manufacturing significant to the economy such as 3D additive layer manufacturing, big data analytics, biomedical, manufacturing, and robotics. So that's what the scholarship covers. It says Doctor of Engineering candidates are evaluated on their portfolio, which comprises coursework, project reports, publication, and a personal profile that demonstrates their innovation and project leadership abilities. So these are the things that will make you to be considered for this scholarship. The University of Warwick is one of the UK leading universities with an acknowledged reputation for excellence in research, teaching for innovation, and for links with business and industry. In less than 50 years since being founded, Warwick has been consistently ranked within the top 10 UK universities and is rapidly climbing the international league tables for world-class universities. Alright, so the deadline for this scholarship is 1st of October 2022, and the eligibility, that's who is eligible. You must be a national of Singapore. You must have satisfied a criteria for Doctorate of Engineering admission to the University of Warwick in the UK. You must have obtained a track record of at least a second-class upper division class in a relevant discipline. Applicants who are in their last semester of undergraduate studies are welcome to also apply. Now, you must not be holding any other scholarship or fellowship as an applicant of this scholarship. Other requirements: successful candidates are required to undergo a 1-year research attachment at an ASTAR Research Institute prior to their PhD studies. So they are kind of preparing you 1 year ahead of the PhD you are about doing. Let's say the coverage of the scholarship. This scholarship is up to 4 years. It covers a monthly living allowance, monthly sustenance allowance inclusive of CPF contribution, field tuition, computer allowance, thesis allowance, as well as conference allowance. Let's say the service commitment. You are required to fulfill a service commitment of 3 years at the ASTAR Research Institute in Singapore upon completion of this program. Then the next is area of interest. These are the area of interest that upon which you can base your studies across, or you can apply to study courses in this field or in this area. We have the 3D additive manufacturing, metal forming, coatings, natural fiber, composites, and a lot of them. So you can just go through this list as a Singapore national. And let's see the application procedure. Students who wishes to resume their studies by September will need to submit their document by 1st of March. While for students who wishes to resume the following year, we need to submit their documents by 1st of October. That's the latest. At most, you must have submitted your application by 1st of October. So that's it, guys. A short one, PhD scholarship opportunity for engineering, Doctor of Engineering at the University of Warwick in the United Kingdom, as well as the ASTAR Agency for Science and Research Technology and Research in Singapore. So it's a 4-year program, 2 years to be done at the University of Warwick and 2 years to be completed at Singapore, the ASTAR Institute. So that's it, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and do ensure you put in your application early enough. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.